Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite blueberry muffin recipe. Let's get started. We'll begin by adding some vinegar to some milk. This is a great substitute for buttermilk. And mix it together. Let's put the bowl aside for now. Next we'll grab a large mixing bowl and add our dry ingredients. Add some all-purpose flour, white granulated sugar, some baking powder to make the muffin rise, and some salt to balance those muffin flavors. I like to add a pinch of cinnamon just to deepen the flavors even more. Alright, let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Make sure you mix everything as evenly as possible. Now it's time to add the center of attention, blueberries. You can use either fresh or frozen ones here. Now mix them together with the dried ingredients. This helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom when you're baking. Let's put this bowl aside for now. Alright, let's grab a small bowl and beat together an egg. We want to do this separately to avoid overmixing later on. Now let's bring back our dry ingredient bowl from before. Alright, add half a cup of vegetable oil, the beaten egg from before, add the milk and vinegar mixture from the beginning. Don't worry about the curdles, they're meant to be like that. And some vanilla extract. It's mixing time! Now make sure you don't overmix these muffins. Mix it so the ingredients are just combined, like this. Now put the muffins aside and let them rise for about 15 minutes and preheat your oven to 425. Now grab a muffin pan and spray it with non-stick vegetable oil. You can also use butter inside as well. Alright, now it's time to divide the muffin batters into 12 even muffins. You can use an ice cream scoop to make this job a lot easier. Don't worry about making these muffin tops perfect. Imperfection is a new perfection with this recipe. Let's finish off these muffins by sprinkling some coarse sugar on top. Coarse sugar will make it seem like these muffins are bakery made. It's usually found by the sprinkles at the grocery store, but if you can't find it, you can also use raw sugar as well. Alright, it's time to bake these muffins. Bake the muffin in the preheated 425 degree oven for 10 minutes. This will get you the crunchy tops you're looking for. Then lower the temperature to 350 degrees for another 8 to 10 minutes. Watch those muffins rise. And there you have it. A dozen of freshly baked blueberry muffins for you and your family to enjoy. Paired perfectly with a warm cup of coffee. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed these blueberry muffins. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more muffin recipes like this.